Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you the unboxing of this. I like the glare from the lights. This is the Cult Beauty Lip Edit. They just released this in the last week or so, and it is a bit like the skincare box that I showed a couple of weeks ago. It is a, why do I not have the words already? It's like, it's not that complicated, Beth. It is a, like a mix box of products. A curation of products, that's what I'm looking for. Apologies for the scrunching, I literally haven't opened this yet. And everything's packaged in brown paper, which I'm going to throw on the floor. So, there are 5 things in this box, so this should be a fairly quick talk through. And it's an edit of their, sort of their favourite lip products, which are in here. So, let's start with the largest one in the box, which is the Pathology Flash Patch Hydrating Lip Gels. So this is one of those lip masks, like gel lip masks that you put over, and it just says here that you leave on for 5 minutes. I don't know that I've ever used one of these before. Maybe I have. I definitely use the eye ones and just general sheet masks, but I'm not sure whether I've ever used a lip one. But nonetheless, there's one of those. Next item is like a beauty editor's darling for the longest time. So this is the Nooks Revved and Meow lip balm, which, oh, packaging's changed since I last bought it, is in a little amber glass jar. Let me see if it still smells the same. Yep, still smells the same. It's got a faintly kind of lemony smell. I'm just looking to see whether there's any information on the box that's actually useful. It says sponsoring beehives. No. With honey and propolis. Protects the bees. Honey lip balm. Ultra nourishing and repairing. Let me see what the ingredients are. Beeswax, shea butter, vegetable oil. We've got grapefruit, lemon. There's a bunch of citrus in here. It's a really nice lip balm. I really like it. I've gone through one of these before. Oh, cute. Inside of the box. There's lots of little bees on it. So, nice to have. For me, that's a more nighttime lip balm. I don't like that as much underneath lip products. But, yeah. It's a nice one. The only thing I don't like about it, and partly the reason that it's a nighttime product for me, is that it's in a pot. And I don't really like sticking my finger in those kind of pots. There are a couple I have that I have a lip brush with, but it's easier to just make them nighttime products that you can do at the end of your routine when everything's like your hands are clean and stuff. Next product is a mini of one that I've already tried. This is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. And this is a teeny tiny one. I don't even know what the size is on this. Does it tell me? Wow, that's small. 1.5 ml. So, let me see if I can get into this. What I've discovered recently is that not having nails, because my gels have all come off, makes everything so much harder, because my nails were like indestructo gels and you could do anything with them, and my actual nails, which are weak and tragic, just split all the time. Let's look at this. So this is, yeah, this is the pink shade, or like peachy pink shade. Super duper sheer. You can just see, like, just where it's just catching the light there. I had a full size of this that I bought just before Christmas, and just before Christmas, maybe a little bit before that, maybe sort of November time, and it's already turned, which is really disappointing. So I don't know whether it's something that I would necessarily buy unless I felt like I was going to burn through it really quickly. Having a mini is fine though, because I probably will get through that before it turns. But it was just disappointing that that other one had already started to smell weird after such a relatively short space of time. But never mind. So, last 2 products, neither of which I've ever tried before. We have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss. Is that, wow. Cupuaçu, is that how you say that? Butter? C-U-P-U-A-C with a cedilla U, lip butter. That's what it is anyway. So this is the lip balm from the brand who make the Balm cream that everybody really loves that I'm not that fussed on. Didn't love the smell. I was the one person who didn't really love the smell. But it says here, in Brazil we love kissing. Our secret is a lip butter infused with nourishing, whatever the hell that word is, cupuaçu butter for kissably soft lips with a dewy sheen. I think this is a full size, 6 grams, so I'm going to guess it's a full size. I don't know, let's see what it looks like, let's see what it smells like. So that's what it looks like. So it looks exactly like the, I made a body spray, it looks exactly like that. It's a lid, it's a flap. Oh, it's actually, see, that smells really good. Oh, that's nice consistency. So I think that's probably what the body cream smells like. I just don't want to smell that all over, but I'm absolutely fine to smell it in a lip product. So we'll see how that one goes. I don't know what to expect really, but I'm optimistic. And then the last product. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Lip Balm in the shade Watermelon Pink. This scrub to balm is concentrated with watermelon, coconut sugar and flower AHA to hydrate, smooth and tint lips with a pop of pink. No rinse necessary. To use as an everyday treatment, reapply throughout the day for an immediate smoothing effect and a plush lip look. Apply 3 coats to build up colour. To use as lip prep, apply as a nourishing smoothing primer to keep your lipstick looking fresh and flawless all day and night long. Okay then, the front, watermelon, coconut and hibiscus. I like all of those things, so I wish the packaging didn't look so cheap. It feels substantial, but it looks a bit cheap. It's twisty. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. See if I can build the colour up. It actually feels nice, a really nice consistency. Just there, like the faintest hint of pink. There. Nice consistency though, feels like it would be nourishing. Because it's fairly thick. But not in a bad way, like not like it's really thick and really heavy. It's just, there's just something to it. I've had so many lip balms in the past where you put it on and it just disappears immediately. So yeah, no, I quite like that, like pinky sheen. I'm not sure whether that's going to show on the camera, but I've like spread that all the way along my hand. I do like an easy lip product. I tend to always have one of those, you know, those lip products that like go your perfect shade of pink, which is nonsense, but I have one of those. I usually have the It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi version in my bag all the time, just because it's a really easy lip product to reapply if you're out. Remember Out? That used to be awesome. Out used to be amazing. Nonetheless, it still lives in my bag because I live in hope. So that is everything. It was just 5 items that were in this box, but I wanted to share it now just because I know that oftentimes these boxes can sell out, and I think for £20 I'll put a little comment here that shows the actual value of all of the items in the box. It's definitely more than £20. I think it's probably closer to 40. And so if you're into lip balms or lip products and you want to have a look, it's a good deal. I would always recommend signing up to Cult Beauty's newsletters just to see the stuff that they come out with, because sorry, not breathing, because they have so many different kits and all kinds of stuff, offers that they do, and they're always such good value. So I would definitely recommend signing up. And that is all for this week, just a quick one. So I hope you are staying safe, taking care, washing your hands, wearing your mask, and I will be back next week with another video. Take care.